I'm back up at Lamington for the first time this year. I cannot believe I've got so far into 2022 and I haven't been up to Lamington. Don't know what's happened. But I'm heading to a waterfall I've not ever been to before, and on the way I've got this beautiful view on the way down. Now it's just starting raining now, you might be able to see, so I'm probably going to have to stop fairly soon and put my raincoat on. It's only very lightly spitting, but it could change. Got some low cloud just coming through. It's probably, I'm not too sure, maybe about 9:45 at the moment. I had intended getting up here a little bit earlier, but the main road up to Binnaburra that I would normally come on is currently closed because after a lot of the rain we had, they had this massive landslip where like 3/4 of the road actually washed away. So that's going to be quite a long time, I think, before that reopens. So I had to go the other way around, which just took a little bit longer. It's a big one. It's a big one. It goes from a long, long way up there. This last drop's probably, I'd say maybe only about half of the waterfall. I haven't been right to the top there, but I did do a walk where I went to a little waterfall that was on this same creek further up, which I'll pop a link up at the end to that one. It was quite a while ago now. But, oh wow, this is lovely. I think I took the hardest way to actually get to where I am. Now that I'm here, I look and I see it would have been much easier just to cross the creek right here and go up to the, yeah, anyway. I might take one or two just handheld shots and then eat something and then be a bit more serious about it. So pretty much the entire way down, it was cloudy. Pretty much the whole way down. And then as soon as I get to the waterfall, the sun comes out. Now every now and then the sun's gone behind a cloud, but I'm trying to do a panorama at the moment, and I got halfway through with the sun behind a cloud and then it came out. So I can see there's some clouds up there. So I'm hoping another one will come soon and I can finish this panorama off, and then I'm gonna probably head down that way a little bit and just see there. I might need to do some housekeeping, see if I can pull this palm frond off, because I suspect it will be in the way where it is at the moment. Yeah, it took me a lot longer to get down here than I thought it would. That's the story of my life, isn't it? When I'm vlogging, I take so long to take photos. It's been pretty much all downhill, and as the saying goes, what goes down must go back up. No, not that one, but that's what it is for me. So yep, it's going to be a nice walk back uphill. I don't think there was only one couple of little steep bits. I think the rest of it was fairly gradual, so hopefully it's not too tiring. Hopefully I got something good down at the waterfall. Let me know what you think. What's your favourite shot of the day? I'm about a third of the way back up, and ever since I left it's been cloudy again. The only time it was sunny when I was down taking photos. I did get a bit of cloud cover, so yeah, hopefully I was bracketing shots as well, so I should be right with not blowing out the highlights on the waterfall. I ended up deciding to do quite a bit of ones of just showing the bottom part of the waterfall. I thought it looked a bit more pleasing that way, as well as not having too much of the really bright part. Okay, well, hit that like button if you've enjoyed today, and if you have, go check out this video that I did at a little waterfall that's further up the creek, but on a completely different walk to this one. The two tracks don't join up because, as you saw, there's a massive big cliff there. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.